Dear parents and students, welcome to Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Mobile number 7568077458. Class 3rd. Subject SS. Chapter 1. Lecture number 1. If you have any doubt in this lecture, then you just need to write in your notebook. Whenever your school classes will be open, then you may clear to related teacher. इस लेक्चर से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट है तो अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें. जैसे स्कूल ओपन हो तब सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड टीचर से डिस्कस करें. Chapter 1. Our family. Our family means हमारा परिवार. I have a family, you have a family. The people who are living together in one house, that is called family. Theme. Understanding means समझना. Changes means परिवर्तन. परिवर्तन को समझना. What are the changes take place in our family? Changes means some people are living with their grandparents. Some people are living in joint family, and some people are living with their parents only. So these kind of family changes we will discuss in this chapter. Lesson objective. Students will be able to identify and compare different kinds of family. Identify means पहचान करना. Compare means तुलना करना. For example, usually parents compare you with your class topper. He is good in studies, you should be like him. This is called comparison between he and you. So, in this chapter, you will get knowledge how many types of family. Second, understand the importance of family life. What is the importance of family in your life? If you have family, then you are able to come to best school for studying. Just imagine if you don't have family, then how's your life? Third, learn that life is about sharing and caring. Sharing means बांटना. To distribute with each other. किसी चीज को आपस में बांटना. That is called sharing. And caring देखभाल करना. So you learned about how to share and care with people. Value the need to treat old people with dignity and respect. Old people, we have to always show respect to old people. And what is the meaning of dignity? Dignity, it's totally depend on your behavior, how you talk with your parents, teacher, and your friends. When you talk with your parents, your way of talking is different. When you talk with your teacher, your way of talking is different. And when you talk with your friends, then you are talking totally different. So this method of talking is called dignity. This behavior is called dignity. Dignity means बात करने का सलीका. किस तरीके से आप किसी से बात करते हैं. Taking off. Here you can see a picture frame. In this picture frame, you have to stick the pictures of your family members. Paste a picture of your family in the frame given below. Talk about each member of your family. Here you have to stick picture of your brother, sister, your parents and your grandparents. All the family members who are living at your home. इस फ्रेम में आपको अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के पिक्चर्स स्टिक करने हैं. Page number 2. Let us learn about the different types of families. Now we'll discuss about different types of families. Heading: Types of families. Here you can see a picture: mother, father and 2 children. This is Mansi and her family. This is Mansi. This girl name is Mansi and this is her family. She is 6-year-old. How many years she old? 6 years. She lives in Delhi. Where she lives? The capital of India, Delhi. With her father, mother and brother Rohan. Father, mother and who is this? Her brother Rohan. Rohan is 5 years younger to Mansi. You can see in the picture, Rohan Mansi से छोटा है और वो मानसी से 5 years छोटा है. Mansi's father and mother work in a bank. Where they do job? In a bank. There is a nuclear family. This is called nuclear family, where parents and their children living. In a nuclear family, only the children live with their parents. That means nuclear family में सिर्फ parents और उनके children रहते हैं, grandparents नहीं रहते हैं. Okay? So what is nuclear family? Children and parents live together. That is nuclear family. Mansi's grandparents have come to stay with them. They came when Rohan was to be born. When Rohan was born, their grandparents stayed at their home. They came to take care Rohan because he is a small baby and her mother is working at the bank. जब रोहन का बर्थ हुआ तब ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स रोहन की केयर करने के लिए आए थे. They take care of Rohan when Mansi's mother goes for walk. Mansi has fun with her grandparents. They tell her interesting story. Mansi enjoys going for walk with her grandparents and Rohan. Just like your grandparent, Mansi's grandparents tell her interesting story and go for walk. मानसी के ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स उसको स्टोरी सुनाते और रोहन वे सब साथ में वॉक पर जाते हैं. Our fathers or mother's parents are our grandparents. Now you just clear in your mind who is your grandparents. Your father's parents, that means your dada dadi. They called your grandparents. Just like your mother's parents, your nana nani, they also called your grandparents. So your mother or your father's parents are our grandparents. Now come to the next story. Here you can see the two pictures. One is small family, second is big family. Small family, what we called? We called small family is nuclear family, and what we called big family? We called big family is joint family. Next, Tina is Mansi's cousin. Who is she? She is Mansi's cousin. Tina Mansi की cousin है. Tina's father is Mansi's father, elder brother. Who is elder brother? Elder brother means बड़ा भाई. So, what we called our father's elder brother? ताऊजी बुलाते हैं सब लोग father's elder brother को. So, टीना के father मानसी के ताऊजी हैं. That's why they are cousins. टीना और मानसी के फादर ब्रदर हैं, इसीलिए टीना और मानसी कजिन्स हैं. टीना lives in Chennai. Where she lives? Tina lives in Chennai. और where Mansi lives? Mansi lives in Delhi. Let's see Tina किस किस के साथ रहती है. Who is living at her home? With her sister Zara. उसकी सिस्टर ज़ारा है. Her parents, her grandparents, an uncle, an aunt and a cousin Zubin. Parents हो गया, grandparents हो गया, uncle aunt हो गया and a cousin Zubin. Now the question is, who is Zubin? Zubin is the son of her uncle and aunt. That's why Zubin is also Tina's cousin. Now we'll discuss how many families living in the same house. Number 1, Tina's family, 4 members. Tina, her sister and parents. Second, Zubin's family. Zubin and his parents, 3 people. Third, their grandparents. All these people are living together. So, this is called a joint family. Tina lives in a joint family. Tina एक joint family में रहती है. It's enough for today. Now come to your homework portion. Class 3rd, subject Essays, chapter 1, lecture number 1. Homework. Word meaning. Identify means पहचान करना. Compare, तुलना करना. Comparison between 2 things. Sharing, आपस में बांटना. To distribute something. Dignity, इज्जत करना. Talk with respect. Send your daily homework before 9 o'clock every day in good handwriting on this WhatsApp number 75680777458. डेली 9 बजे से पहले आपको अपना होमवर्क रफ नोटबुक में गुड हैंडराइटिंग में करके स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप नंबर 75680777458 पर सेंड करना है. थैंक यू. Have a nice day.